Hello and welcome back to my another YouTube video. In this video I will let you know how to install and set up MySQL in macOS having silicon chipset. So let's start without wasting any time. First of all, you have to open any browser you like. So I'm opening Google. So here you have to paste this and just simple press enter. Here you will find your architecture. Here it's macOS 64-bit. So I am just clicking this and download. If you have 32-bit architecture, you can download this, and so on. You have many other options. I will download this, and here now it's asking for me login. Ignore these and just click no thanks, just start my download. Okay, here asking for downloads, and here my download is now started. Here the download is completed. Just simple double click it and double click it again, and it will take some. Just make allow and continue, again continue, agree and continue, and same, just simple install it. And here you have to give your password and simple install software. Now it will take some time to install. Okay, so here the install is finished. Now you have to provide the password. It's the very important password. Please, here you have to give a strong password, and also save it with yourself in any notebook or textbook or any other thing, or any other place you have to save it for the future use. Okay, so I will give my password here. So I gave this password and simple click finish. Okay, so here again it's ask for my actual MacBook password. I will simply click OK. So here our installation is completed. Just simply close it. Okay, you can keep it here, or just move it to bin. You have search here terminal and it will be opened. Okay, you have to paste this command, and here you can see we have not properly MySQL installed. So paste this command. It will. Okay, so after pasting this command, we got our SQL version, which is properly now installed. Okay, and we can see that MySQL 9.6 version for macOS. Okay, after that, you how you can log in, how you can open how can use MySQL. Paste this command, and here it will ask for the password. The password is the one you created, the root password. It is the one you have created. It will not show the wording here, so you can just simply type the correct password, and after that you will get your login completely. I put in the password and simple click enter. Here you can see my everything is working. Download, install and set up my SQL GUI Workbench. Without wasting any time, let's start our video. So first of all, you have to open any browser. Okay, I open Google and paste this URL. I will provide this URL in the description as well. Okay, so now if your architecture is 32-bit, then install this. If 64, then simply install this. I will install this 329. Okay, and just simple click ignore these and just simply no thanks, just start my download. And here your download will be started. Okay, my download is started and it will take some time. Once downloaded, we will continue. Okay, so the download is completed. Just simple double click it on here, or you can open it through Finder. After clicking, just simple drag and drop in here applications. Okay, after this it's now working. It is taking to extracting and copying the Workbench. So let's wait for it. Okay, so the copying and extracting everything is completed. It will be now installed, and you can open it just here MySQL Workbench, or if it's not, you can simply search it MySQL, and here you will find. After opening, okay, just click open, and here now it's our Workbench for SQL. Okay, it's the one I already downloaded and used, but I okay, so here this type of okay, so this type of interface we will get. Okay, it's the one I already created first time when I installed this. Okay, so you will not install this, so you can ignore this. Okay, so you have to, okay, so you can open it from MySQL Workbench. Click here, simple, and you will get your this type of interface. Now here what you have to do, you have to create, you click the plus icon and you can give it a name like test1 and just simple click OK. Okay, and after that it's test1, double click on it. Now here you have to give the password we gave when we created the when we gave the password to the root section. Now I'm giving my password and just simple, you can save it to a keychain or you can uncheck this and simple click OK. Now I click here, it will ask for this, here we ask for this pop-up, check it and simple continue anyway. Now here it's my workbench. uh, for my SQL data I can do many or tasks, like I can create database. Okay, and I can give it any name like test1, and simply for run you have to click on this, and here you can see the output database created. Okay, it's green tick, so it's mean database is created, and you hear this type of, and you can use many commands on this. So hopefully enjoy the video, and I tried my best to make it simple for you. And thank you so much for watching for complete video. If you like this video, then like, share and comment. If you like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. We'll see you in next video.